Welcome back. Hi everyone, it's Chris. We're here at Bytesector and today I have a crap ton of news. I know we've been absent for a while. A lot went down, even in the last week. So we're gonna hit on the highlights, new and old, and we'll see you on the other side of the intro. Okay, we'll get started with the exciting new news on the table. On Monday, Microsoft announced a $7.5 billion acquisition of Bethesda studios and a whole ton of other game studios. They actually bought the parent company, which contains a whole bunch of game studios, and it's just another move that Microsoft is making towards game development, bringing it in-house, and their commitment to the gaming community. Are you looking for Prime Day? Well, October 13th. That's the rumored date right now, and you know what? Who are we to disagree? But in case you think you missed it back in July, you didn't. It's still to come. COVID's kind of wrought havoc on the entire year, and this is just one of the casualties. So October 13th, tentatively waiting on official confirmation. Now the news you all know. Last Tuesday, Sony came out after months of jockeying back and forth with Microsoft, and they finally gave us the juicy details on PlayStation 5. We knew the price, we knew the release date. The only thing we didn't get right away was the pre-order date. And that followed a bit later, and then suddenly, last Tuesday in the evening, I get an email at 7:45 p.m. on, Eastern time saying pre-orders are now live on Best Buy. Well, you better believe I dropped everything and went and pre-ordered one, but Sony admits that the pre-order process could have gone better. And to that end, they have promised that there will be more pre-order units available and more units coming before the end of the year. So in case you missed out, in case you weren't one of the lucky ones, tune into your local retailer, e-tailer, whatever it is, and make sure you stay tuned because they're probably still going to get some more units. Then, on Wednesday, we saw GoPro announce the Hero 9 Black. Woo! I mean, a few rumors had been coming out earlier, and, we had some idea that there would be a front display, but who knew what else would come? Well, detachable lenses, so you can stick on an ultra-wide angle lens if you want. You have the front display, so now, vloggers and adrenaline junkies alike can see what they're doing if they want to, have some selfie time on the camera as well. So that's big news. Then, on Thursday, the news just keeps coming and coming, right? We saw NVIDIA release the RTX 3080 for public purchase. Not pre-order, not announcing details, purchase. This card is a beast at $699 US. Hands down, it murders the 2080 Ti. So it should come as no surprise that NVIDIA sold out within minutes. Newegg sold out within 5 minutes. I think some e-tailers even said that they saw traffic levels that made Black Friday look sane. Now think about that for a second. It's a single graphics card. All of Black Friday couldn't compete with the RTX 3080 purchase. Anyways, enough said. I think it's a killer card on paper. I cannot wait to get my hands on one. Yeah, speechless. Yesterday, the Xbox Series X pre-orders, and Series S, to be honest, but, Anyways, the pre-order started 11 a.m. Eastern time, and I hopped right on to Best Buy's website. I was able to see the website go down. The page didn't exist. After about an hour, suddenly you could add it to your cart. That's great. I can buy it. Woo! No, it took 2 hours for me to pre-order my Xbox Series X. I'm not going to get into the experience. Needless to say, Microsoft, I think, you helped balance us all out from the Sony pre-order debacle last week. Clearly, it could have gone better too. We are 1 week away. 1 week. 7 days away from Google's latest announcements. There is a press event coming up on September 30th. We know that we're going to see the Pixel 5, the Pixel 4a 5G. That's a lock. There are rumors that we're going to see a new Chromecast dongle that's actually going to be Android TV and comes with a dedicated remote control. We're going to see new Nest speakers. There's a lot coming. I can feel it. And I'm excited because I really want to see what this generation of technology from Google is going to bring. We already know what the 4A is. The 4A 5G is really not a big reveal. The Pixel 5 leaked all to hell, but you know what? I want to know exactly what the official specs are and why Google thinks that a Pixel 5 should replace a Pixel 4, 3, 2, aside from the generational leaps in the chipset, they really haven't made it a top-tier phone. So I'm really curious to see where this goes. Anyways, guys, that's it for the Weekly Bites. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you being my audience. I can't wait to bring you the Weekly Bites again next week. Don't forget to check us out on Twitter, Instagram, our Facebook page. We're everywhere. We've got a website, Bytesector.com. We post news there. We're posting reviews in case you don't have time to read or you're at work and you can only read and you don't want to pull up YouTube. Thank you. Tune in next time.